stay in Hanoi. Taking it pretty easy so far. We found this nice little coffee shop off the main street. Got given this suspicious drink for free. We didn't order it. It looks very questionable. Sally, try the drink.
No. Drink the drink, piss boy. What does it taste?
The most watery tea I've ever had. This evening we are going to travel down to Danang. Tonight we're getting a sleeper train, 17-hour coach train journey. We're going to try and document it as much as possible, kind of show you what it's like. It's probably one of the best things to do here in Vietnam. We've decided that before getting the train later, because we just had to check out of our hostel, we're going to go for a spa treatment, for a massage. We're both getting a shoulder and back massage, which is only costing us about £10 each, about 45 minutes. It's called the Orient Spa, so we're going to head there now and see what we can get. Going for a massage. Looking forward to it.
A lot! I'm very happy.
We're hoping this massage helps our backs a lot, because yesterday sitting on that minibus down to Ninh Binh wasn't very comfy. We ended up kind of like straining.
I've been on massage for 2 years. 2 years!
Yeah. So Sally's actually wanted a massage for a very long time, so one of her main things when we came travelling was tick off the list was a massage, so we're going to get one in this first week, try and tick it off the list early on. If it's good, I imagine we'll end up having a lot more as well. Nice massage.
I think it should become a weekly thing for us.
I'm going to get a haircut now, aren't I?
Hopefully they'll do it as good as they did in Taiwan here.
Just waiting for our taxi. Get to the station. It's only like 5 minutes from our hostel.
Yeah, it's really not very far, but I do not want to be carrying these rucksacks.
No, it seems like 1 minute away. Cabin.
It's so loud!
That was really awkward. It was actually really nice. A lady came over from another cabin and asked us why we liked the music so much. It was our cabin playing the music super loud. So she just came in and there's a little switch here with the volume dial. We had ours like cranked up to full and it's switched on. Turned it off and it's got peace and quiet again.
Exactly.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is our cabin.
Way better than we thought it would be.
Yeah, this is really nice. No one's arrived yet for our top bunks. I don't know if they will.
They probably will. There's like 20 minutes still.
Got a table, got some plugs down the bottom, bin, that's flowers. I don't know if they're real. No, they're not, they're fake. Got some sheets, got a pillow. No. No beer, no beer tonight. And got a light, like USB charger as well. Sure, that's a bit bright. USB charger.
I've been in hostels worse than this.
Yeah, definitely.
This reminds me of the hostel we have that we've just been in.
Yeah. Obviously there's no privacy curtain across, but that's fine. I presume this is the way to get up to the top bunk, if you were on the tops.
I really hope people don't put their feet on my bed.
Yeah, I hope not. But it's the head's at the other end, so it should be alright.
Yeah.
What else? It's pretty nice. Seems very clean.
Yeah, it is.
We'll see what it's like when it starts going.
They said were like cockroaches.
I've got a feeling those were for lower classes.
Yeah, I think they were in different classes or like older trains. They're like older
Yeah.
reviews, and they've recently renovated all of the Vietnam trains.
So I think we're very happy, aren't we? Haircut. Went okay. Went to a local barber place. I think Si took a video of that. We did that just before we left. After the spa, so I feel very pampered.
We do.
It's been a good afternoon.
Had a good day. Very relaxed, so
Well,
don't put that in.
We'll check in again when the train starts moving and we start underway. So we're now moving. We just left the station, like a few minutes ago. Seems like no one else is in it. We've got the place to ourselves.
But
people
might get on at other stations, we're not sure.
But people might get on later, so we can't get our hopes up. But right now we've got the place to ourselves.
Exactly.
So
and to be fair, it's not a full train at all. There are like loads and loads, like there are bunks where... There are still loads of bunks where there's like no one in 4 of the bunks, so who knows, we might have half the journey to ourselves.
Yeah, that's alright. We might be asleep when they get here.
Exactly, and then they'll wake us up.
Yeah. But for now, we're by ourselves. As you can see, the world going by the window. We're going to enjoy that for a bit, and then probably watch a bit of TV. I might do an editing of one of the videos we've done so far, so we can finally put a video on YouTube, which we haven't done yet, and get some sleep later. Breakfast, Danishes, croissant, so banana bread, and then Danish for Sally. Yeah,
sorry, have you got your massive loaf of bread as well?
Oh, there's some more bread in here, isn't there?
You have a big breakfast, Sonny.
Good morning, Sally.
Good morning. It's freezing on here now. It's really cold, and it's like 35 degrees out there.
It's because the aircon's blasting, isn't it?
Yeah.
We are in Hanoi, which is about 2 hours left of our journey out of the 17. How was your sleep last night?
Oh, it was weird. Like, I don't think I ever went to sleep properly. Like, it is so bumpy. I think it's worse. Like, it's easier to sleep on a coach.
I slept alright.
Yeah,
it
but
wasn't
that's
too
because
bad.
you're quite a light sleeper, and there was people snoring in our cabin. Sorry, a heavy sleeper.
Oh yeah, there was a guy snoring. But Sally thought it was me, so she kept on hitting me, telling me to stop snoring, but it wasn't even me. So I was like, "What?" And I didn't get it. So it was great.
We're gonna go to the beach later. I've decided.
Yeah.
We're gonna relax on the beach.
But journey's been good. Definitely.
We have pretty much had the cabin to ourselves the whole time. Just some people came in around 10 last night.
Yeah.
No, but we all went at like 10:30, and they went to bed
10:30.
straight away. And then they left at like 6:30 this morning, so they were just there while we were sleeping. That was
all. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins.
So, just giving you a quick tour of the train. So, you got a sink here, hand dryer. Seems right. Got soap, and then if you go through this door, you've got the toilet. Then it smells a bit, but it's alright. It's not bad. It could be a lot worse. Floors actually not that wet. you reckon to the train journey then? We've only got 10 minutes left.
I didn't sleep very well on the train journey, but other than that, it's been pretty good. They're pretty weird with the aircon, turning it on and off at weird times. It was cleaner than I thought. It's nice. The views were good. Bathrooms didn't suck as much as everyone said. I don't know where all those horror reviews came from. It's fine. Although I do think it's expensive for what it is, actually. The end.
Arrived. Yeah.
If you go to Danang, I pay you 10,000 dong for one.
No, thank you.
This is a whole option.
No, thank you. Right, so we've made it to Danang. That was the overnight train. All in all, that was just like far exceeded my expectations of getting on it at the start. It was clean, slept okay, not the best, probably got like 5-6 hours sleep in the end just because of the movement of the train itself. You can't really avoid that. But it wasn't too loud, beds were pretty comfy in the end of the day, and we had a good journey. It was 17 hours in total. We arrived in Danang about midday, checked into our hotel, which we're staying in for one night before we move on to Hoi An tomorrow. Looks nice as well. We've just been to a restaurant for lunch in Salifan. It's a vegetarian place. Really good food. Definitely recommend if you're staying in this area of Danang to head down to that. Get a bowl of the noodles, some of the spring rolls. They're really friendly staff there, and you won't regret it. We're just going to head for some coffee now because we're both feeling quite tired. Not having had any coffee today. We're kind of coffee addicts at this point. And then we'll go to the beach later.